However, her term was short-lived. We are indeed proud of Dr. Bindu Matthew. She is also doctoral committee member at JIPMA, and implementation was conducted, and the steering committee for the college under the chairmanship of our director, Reverend Father Paul, had its first meeting. The IQAC under chairmanship of Reverend Father John Burgess has also been formed after their annual election, and various cultural events are organized. Mrs. Divya Sridharan received the first prize at the Karnataka state level and the second prize at the national level for her e-paper presentation at the SMA Biennial Conference. Though I would say Lilliputian, we have strengthened our remedial teaching. OSCE is an integral part of our skill evaluation. Mentorship program for students of all batches is being carried out in the ratio 1:10. Activities on all days of national importance pertaining to health. To name a few: World Tuberculosis Day, World Health Day, World Stroke Day, Epilepsy Day, Diabetes Day, and so on. The actual wherein even the COVID positive students were permitted to appear. The entire exam and scanning process is web streamed and meticulously carried out. The final years and the NPCC batch on basic life support. A disaster drill was conducted by the second year MSCs in collaboration with our quality department and the fire and safety.
Akila Sinoy, Albi KJ, Alila Shah, Mary Nasensia, Amalu Shaju, Amenta Joy, and Angel Mary, Anisha Moore Seeker in absence, and Jose, Linsu Mariam Liju, Merin Rodlina Anna Bichu, Merlin B. Jose, Monisha Anil.
With all the skills and understanding I possess, without regard to race, creed or color, sparing no effort to conserve life, to alleviate suffering, and to promote the
dignity and religious beliefs
of the patients under my entrusted to me,
all personal information entrusted to me,
and refraining from any action that might be
Associate Director of Hospital and College. The best part in extracurricular activities for the year is Basic BSc Nursing 2018 batch, that is the present 4th year. The General Nursing and Midwifery outgoing batch for the year receives the Academic Award for the list we have the national level winners of SMA. Study title: A Study to Assess Awareness on COVID Appropriate Behavior among General Public visiting selected hospitals, Bengaluru. Miss and Lockdown Appropriate Behavior. Thank you much.
The Director of St. John's Medical College and Hospital, Lieutenant Colonel Professor Ina Menon, the Principal of the Nursing College, distinguished dignitaries and executives at the dais here, my dear graduates, my dear parents, my dear friends. I am also very happy to be here with you and to see you in this beautiful ceremony dressed in these. I am almost tempted to ask you to borrow your cap for one day. It's a great day in your life because nursing means much more than what the world thinks it to be. You know, the corona season has brought out the nurses to the foremost position, and what was, if the nurses ever thought of protesting or making a strike during the corona season, all of us would have died. You know, somewhere, I don't know whether it's a Times magazine or New York
Students
Times.
is to be worthy ambassadors of what St. John's is. St. John's group of institutions is based on a mission especially to serve the underserved with integrity, compassion, and excellence. Those are the core values that define the ethos and character of this institution. And my message to them is that as they leave the portals of this institution, they will be ambassadors of St. John's mission and serving especially the underserved with integrity, compassion, and excellence. 98 of them are graduating today from this one. And this has been an especially difficult time for them, particularly for this batch, because they had to live through, they had to serve and study during the COVID pandemic. And we call them the COVID warrior batch, because they have done excellent service. Very difficult, this one, putting on this PPE and all that for 6 to 8 hours, and then serving the patients, looking after them when no attenders were allowed to go near them. They have done a fantastic job. And I think that is more than anything what you have taught them in the classroom. That has been the greatest learning experience for them and the greatest experience of serving those who need help. So,
practical experience also.
Yeah, excellent practical experience, yes. And we have to, their readiness to step in when they could have walked away, gone home, etc. Most of them accepted our invitation and then stayed on to take care of the COVID patients. Yeah.
First of all, I was very happy to attend this function of the graduation day of the nurses, and St. John's is known for its service, dedication and discipline. And therefore I told the students that having studied in this college, you have to give to the society a very special quality of your heart, not just of your head, but more of your heart. You have to give service, you have to give a dedicated service. And in the corona season, you have seen that how much the nurses were indispensable. They have done a great service, and St. John's also has taken care of more than 900 corona patients at that time, and the whole college was there to serve them. So therefore I have told them, keep up this spirit of service rather than a profession, and surely God will bless them in some way.
Any message for the students from your side?
Yeah, the message for the students is, this is a good college which gives you good knowledge, which gives you good experience, which gives you good opportunities to be employed everywhere. But select those places and hospitals which are there for the poor, and especially for those that render service to the maximum extent.
Today we had the graduation ceremony of our outgoing batch of BSc, PCBSc, MSc and the Diploma in Nursing. A total of 188 students have graduated. Our chief guest was our Vice Chancellor, Dr. M.K. Ramesh, Honorable Vice Chancellor of RGUHS. We are indeed fortunate that he came as our chief guest, and our presiding officer was the Archbishop of Bangalore, Most Reverend Dr. Peter Machado. Now, graduation is a moment in the student's life when they have completed their training and they are going out to be serving in the world. Our students serve not only in India as staff nurses, but most of them are immediately picked up for services outside India. They are picked up even as freshers. So my message to our graduates is, wherever it is, let us have our respect for human life. Let us carry the value and ethos that St. John's has inculcated in you, and do your best for your patients as if they were your own. That is my message for the graduates. और अब जब कोविड हुआ था, उसकी वजह से भी हमारा जो ट्रेनिंग है उसमें थोड़ा सा तो असर पड़ गया था कि ऑनलाइन क्लासेस करना पड़ा, लेकिन उसके पश्चात हमने बच्चों को फुल क्लिनिकल एक्सपीरियंस दिया है. सेंट जॉन्स हॉस्पिटल इज़ अ 1350 bedded hospital. We did not compromise on the clinical skills because we believe that to make a good nurse, she should develop the skills of hands-on doing for the patient, starting IV, giving the injections, medicines, assessing the patient. So COVID के बावजूद we were able to give our students a very good clinical experience. We did not compromise on clinical hours. And I am also proud to say that all our outgoing graduates, all 188 of them, have worked in COVID areas. The MSc, PCB, BSc and the NPCC, who were registered nurses, have done staff nurse duty round the clock. And the fourth years who are about to graduate, who have not yet done their registration, they've supported. The COVID patients were not having their near and dear ones with them. वो लोग अकेले थे वार्ड में. So these were the young girls who went and communicated. उनसे बातचीत करना, उनको खाना खिलाना, उनको reassurance देना, because COVID second wave में वो बहुत सा डर था कि कुछ भी हो सकता है. There was a lot of uncertainty. So our students could do that, and we call them true COVID warriors. We gave them some certificate, and that has also encouraged all of them. I thank the media for covering our program. Thank you, Sahara TV.
Thank you, ma'am. My name is Marlena Anabiju. I am a graduate.
My name is Sonia, and
her name is Navneet, and we are so happy that we are graduating today. This was 4 years travel, and we were having so many crises of overcoming all the situations, and we are so happy that we are graduating, and we have started yesterday. We feel like that because these 4 years were very fast. Yeah, it was very fast. It finished very fastly. So I'm so happy to be in a Johnite, and we are having wonderful teachers and also wonderful friends, and this is our best memory in our life, and we are glad to have.
Thankful.
Yeah, we are very thankful to this institution.
What was the practical experience on COVID-19?
Yeah, COVID-19, that was an entirely different experience for us, because comparing to other colleges, we were having an opportunity to being with the patients who is suffering from COVID-19.